The Mystery of Midnight Melodies, Understanding Snoring All Night. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound familiar if you've ever shared a room with someone: snoring all night. This expression is not just about the sound someone makes when they're sleeping, but it's also packed with cultural nuances and implications. Let's unravel the mysteries of this common phrase together. At its core, snoring all night refers to the act of someone making snoring sounds throughout the entire night while they're asleep. However, it's not just a statement of fact. Saying someone was snoring all night can imply a range of emotions and reactions, from annoyance or disturbance for the person hearing it, to concern for the well-being of the person snoring. It's a phrase rich in context, often used to paint a vivid picture of a sleepless night or a restless sleeping environment. In many cultures, snoring all night can be a light-hearted way to tease someone about their loud sleeping habits. Yet, it's not always just a joke. Sometimes, this phrase is used seriously to discuss problems like sleep disturbance or even health issues related to sleep apnea. Understanding the tone and context is crucial in grasping the full meaning behind these words. When you use the phrase, snoring all night, it's important to consider your audience and the setting. In a casual conversation among friends, it might be a humorous comment. In a more serious or formal setting, it could lead to discussions about health and well-being. The versatility of this phrase makes it a useful one in your English language toolkit, but its power lies in using it appropriately. Whether it's a light-hearted tease or a serious discussion, snoring all night is a phrase that carries more than just its literal meaning. It's a small window into someone's nightly experiences and can open up conversations about health, humor, and the human experience. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase with the nuance and sensitivity it deserves. Happy learning, and may your nights be peaceful and quiet.